Welcome back to KidSpeed. We're going to do a quick troubleshooting setup video on this Mototec X1. Sometimes when you're setting these up and this one's fresh out of the carton, you can run into issues. One of them relates to the throttle cable. We've had instances where the throttle cable has not been seated properly, and you either end up with the bike not running properly or the bike revving up immediately. To start troubleshooting this, you need to take this cover off so you can get to the throttle cable. Take this bolt off here. Also one on the other side at the back here. Take this bolt off for the seat and then take this bolt off. Get those done. I'll see you in a minute. With this particular bike, the issue is that when you start it up, it revs out to a couple thousand RPM almost immediately, which is a little bit alarming, but the fix is quite simple. As you're doing this fix, it might be tempting to take off this fuel line, drain the fuel out, and make this job much bigger. But I've learned that the less you touch, the better off you are. So we're gonna do this without removing those fuel lines. All right, we're gonna come in from the left side of the bike here. You'll see the fuel filter, and in a moment you will see where the issue is once we lift up this tank a little bit. I'm wiggling the throttle cable here. And now this is the problem we had. See how when I pull on that throttle cable, there's that metal piece sitting outside. Let me get a different angle, hopefully. There's this metal piece sitting outside. When I pull on that and seat that nicely back inside there, our problem goes away. Turn the idle up a bit, see my other video on that, but now runs really well. Thanks for watching. We carry pretty much every single part on this bike at kidspeedusa.com, from the handle grips down to bars. Check out our parts page at kidspeedusa.com so you can check out all the parts. They're really easy to get. They're warehoused here in the US.